Back to Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Today, I'm going to be playing for night 4. Oh god, I'm scared. Anyways, let's get into this. Fuck off Springtrap. Anyways, let's go. Oh god. Oh god. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm scared. Now this... okay, so this makes me feel better. See? Sister location, wow. Oh. This goes there, then it goes over here. Okay, then we go to here, then audio. That being said, you're free of liability. You enjoy. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear. Yeah, I am the face of Freddy Fazbear. Oh, it's 1 AM already. That was quick. Jeez. But please. Fuck! Well, where the hell is he? Where is he? Oh, there you are, you piece of fuck. Oh, shit. Come on. Audio. Oh shit! That I could do that. Then oh come on! Ventilation really? Fuck! Cause there's no freaking there's no freaking oxygen in this fucking building. That's why. Fuck! Oh no! Come on! That pisses me off. Just fucking it. Oh, I got scared. Alright, good. Oh, alright. Come on already! Damn it! Where is the event? Oh shit! I don't have any audio. Crap! Where is it? No! Is he coming? Hello. Oh! Yes! Yes! Okay, good. Goody good goods. Hello. Yes! Okay. Alright. Good. Come on. Okay, good. Hello. He's gonna come out where exactly what I want him. Fuck. Ventilations again. Because no freaking oxygen in this fucking building and it pisses me off. Really, it fucking does. And yeah. Hey, Freddy. Hi. I did it. I'm watching you fuck. Shites or is in events. Don't be in events. Don't never be in events. Oh, what the hell was that? Was that a puppet? Just then. What the fuck was that? I just saw the puppet over there. Something or somewhere. Come on, Freddy, really? Oh my god, I just saw the puppet right over there. I saw it. I saw the puppet on cam 8. Then I quickly put the camera down. It went back on it, then it was gone. What the fuck? come on, ventilation, really? Quick. Okay, good. What the fuck? He was over there, really? And I just played the sound for no fucking reason. Come on, quick. Okay, good. Oh, come on! I accidentally played the audio again. Shit. Events. Oh, good. Audio. It's 5 AM! I might do this. Oh my god. I might do this.
Hello.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Good so far. Yes, it's 6 AM! Yes! Oh, yeah! Holy shit! Oh, another minigame. Okay. Oh god. Whoa. What the fuck? It's an exit. Oh god, what the? Oh look! There's a hanging child over here. Oh shit. Oh. Yes! Okay. What was that? And I think I was Shadow Bonnie, and he's in find us really too, you know. I heard that. Oh, Nightfall. Oh, he's there already.
Hello.
Oh, that's good.
This is just a reminder of company policy concerning the safe room. Safe room
Yes.
is reserved for equipment and or other property.
Quick. Does that cook? How many even have a vent?
Employees only.
Just a small vent,
Not a
I
break
guess.
room. Should not be considered a place for employees to hide and or congregate. And under no circumstance should a customer ever be taken into this room and out of the main show area. Management is also made aware Spring Bonnie animatronics has been noticeably
Spring money, of
I'd like
course.
to remind employees this costume is not safe to wear under any circumstances. Thank you, and remember to smile. You are the face of Brady Fazbear's team.
Good.
Hello.
Fucking audio again, really? Oh shit. Oh, it's still up. Oh, it's just because of Phantom Freddy. Go away, Phantom Freddy.
Hello.
Go. 1 AM. Good. What's your navigation? Crap. Oh, good. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, he's already there. Fuck. Soon as I looked at Kamea, he was right there. What the fuck? And then, yeah. Oh, he's gone. Yeah. Yeah. This is pretty good. It's 2 AM. I'm doing quite good. I might complete, unless there's a night 6. Interesting. It might be a night 6. Oh, fuck you, son of a. Oh. Holy crap! Oh, holy shit. Oh, Foxy, why? Oh, shit! Oh! Oh my god! And it was 3 AM too! Oh. Why, Foxy? Why? Why would you do this to me? Holy crap. Holy crap! Oh. Oh. Bro, that man is that I beat night 4 and I almost beat night 5. I just have three more hours. Well, in the game I have 3 more hours to win the fucking night 5. Oh god. But thanks for watching. And always, why Foxy, and see you.